A storm is brewing in the world of artificial intelligence. A new AI superpower has emerged, and it's not from Silicon Valley. Meet DeepSeek, China's secret weapon in the AI arms race. And guess what? America wasn't ready for this. Chinese AI company DeepSeek has just released a model that rivals ChatGPT, sending shockwaves through the industry. Tech giants like OpenAI and Google are now facing an unexpected challenger. For years, the world thought AI innovation was controlled by the United States. But DeepSeek's latest breakthrough has changed everything. And America's dominance in AI, it might be coming to an end. The DeepSeek is China's answer to OpenAI. Built by some of the world's smartest engineers, this AI model is faster, cheaper, and potentially more powerful than ChatGPT. While ChatGPT is expensive to run, DeepSeek is designed to be ultra-efficient, meaning China can scale it faster and at a fraction of the cost. But that's just the beginning. The AI war isn't just about technology, it's about global power. Whoever controls AI controls the future. And DeepSeek just gave China a massive advantage over the US. 3 ways DeepSeek is beating ChatGPT. 1. Efficiency. DeepSeek requires fewer resources, making it more accessible to businesses and governments. 2. Open source strategy. Unlike OpenAI, DeepSeek is open source, meaning developers worldwide can use and improve it. 3. Government backing. China's AI strategy is fully supported by the government, giving DeepSeek unlimited funding and global influence. When DeepSeek was unveiled, something crazy happened. Tech stocks plunged. Investors realized that OpenAI and Google weren't the only AI players anymore, and Wall Street panicked. We're seeing a major shift in the AI industry, and American tech giants are scrambling to respond. The question is, can America fight back, or has China already won the AI race? One thing is clear, DeepSeek is a wake-up call for America. If OpenAI and Silicon Valley don't step up their game, China could dominate the next decade of artificial intelligence. What do you think? Will DeepSeek replace ChatGPT, or will America strike back with even more powerful AI? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more mind-blowing tech updates.